Hi there. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to easily add audio to your PowerPoint presentation. Adding audio can really boost engagement and help convey your message more effectively. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video. Subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks like this. Let's get started. First things first, open Microsoft PowerPoint on your computer and navigate to the slide where you want to insert the audio. Once you're there, click on the Insert tab in the top menu. Next, click on Audio and choose Audio on my PC from the drop-down menu. Navigate to the location of your audio file. Let's say it's on your desktop. Select the file and click Insert. If you'd like to record your voice instead, choose the Record Audio option. After you've added the audio, you'll notice a speaker icon on your slide. Click on it, and then go to the Playback tab to customize how your audio will play. To hide the speaker icon during the slideshow, check the Hide During Show option. If you want the audio to play across all the slides, select Play Across Slides. You can also choose Loop Until Stopped if you want the audio to loop until you manually stop it using the play and pause button. And that's how you can easily insert audio into your PowerPoint presentation. Thanks for watching.